Can the propaganda and marketing of the capitalist state, the state capitalist continuum, really run so deep? Over the years of hundreds of media stories, I can't really even accept the word terrorist anymore. It's used so blatantly favoring the interest of the wealthy elites. If there were Martians reporting on the news, then the United States would clearly fit the description of a network of terrorist groups given all its bombing and torturing around the world. Can it really be so hard to break through the branding tactics of the profiteers? Sometimes it's hard to believe that we can be so conditioned to see them, whoever they are, as bad, and us, the Americans, as good. How is it consistently omitted as an option that the group demanding the most killing throughout the entire globe through military strikes just might be the terrorists? And those outsiders, those humans without submarines, those humans without aircraft carriers, those without nuclear weapons, those at the bottom of the economic ladder just might not be the terrorists. They just might be the ones defending themselves against the largest military force ever. But, to be honest, I don't really even recognize the United States in the traditional mainstream sense. Decorating a geographic area with flags of stars and stripes and preaching a document that is vaguely followed, called a constitution, isn't really much to be recognized as a united cause for humans to recognize. But yet, for millions, that works. I more so recognize the concentrations of wealth at the cost of others, and the concentrations of violence at the very painful cost of others. Unfortunately, that is more so what I see around me, and not a united state of a nation called America.